Welcome to this comprehensive guide on leadership styles. In this video, we will explore 6 major approaches to leading teams and organizations: transformational, adaptive, inclusive, directive, coaching, and servant leadership. Each style has unique characteristics and works best in different situations. Understanding these styles will help you become a more effective leader and choose the right approach for your team. Transformational leadership is all about vision and inspiration. These leaders paint a compelling picture of the future and motivate their teams to achieve extraordinary results. They focus on inspiring change and helping their organizations reach new heights. This style works particularly well when you need to drive major organizational changes or when your team needs motivation and a sense of purpose. Adaptive leadership emphasizes flexibility and responsiveness. These leaders thrive in uncertain and changing environments. They adjust their strategies based on new information and changing circumstances. Adaptive leaders focus on problem-solving and continuous learning from experience. This style is most effective during crises, rapid market changes, or when your organization faces unprecedented challenges. Inclusive leadership values diverse perspectives and creates a culture where everyone feels heard and belongs. These leaders actively seek input from all team members, regardless of their background or position. They create psychologically safe environments where people feel comfortable sharing ideas. This approach is ideal for building innovation, fostering collaboration, and creating inclusive organizational cultures. Directive leadership is characterized by clear instructions and task orientation. These leaders provide explicit direction and expect compliance with established standards. They focus on efficiency and quick decision-making. This style is most effective in emergencies, when working with inexperienced team members, or in environments where clear structure and immediate results are critical. Coaching leadership prioritizes team member development and growth. These leaders use mentoring and questions to guide their teams toward better performance. They invest in long-term skill development and help people realize their full potential. This style works best when you want to build capabilities over time, develop talent within your organization, and create a culture of continuous improvement. Servant leadership puts the team first. These leaders prioritize team member needs above their own interests and focus on removing obstacles to success. They provide resources and support that enable their teams to thrive. Servant leaders build deep trust and create collaborative, empowering cultures. This approach is excellent for long-term organizational health and fostering loyal, engaged teams. Let us compare these 6 leadership styles side by side. Transformational leaders focus on vision and inspiration. Adaptive leaders emphasize flexibility and change management. Inclusive leaders prioritize diversity and belonging. Directive leaders provide clear direction and efficiency. Coaching leaders develop talent and capabilities. Servant leaders support their teams and remove obstacles. Each style has distinct characteristics that make it valuable in different contexts. The key to effective leadership is knowing when to use each style. Use transformational leadership when you need to inspire major change and motivate your team. Apply adaptive leadership during crises or rapid market changes. Choose inclusive leadership when building innovation and psychological safety. Use directive leadership in emergencies or with inexperienced team members. Employ coaching leadership when developing talent and building long-term capabilities. Practice servant leadership when building trust and creating collaborative cultures. Here are 3 essential takeaways from this leadership styles overview. First, no single leadership style works for all situations. Great leaders understand when to adapt their approach. Second, understanding each style helps you choose the right approach for your specific team and situation. Third, developing multiple leadership styles increases your overall effectiveness as a leader. The most successful leaders are flexible and can shift their style based on what their teams and organizations need.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.